Hey guys, Ryan Pautler here at US Duct manufacturing location in Kernersville, North Carolina. Excited to do a little bit of a virtual walkthrough with you guys. Show us what the manufacturing floor looks like. Come on along. Our first stop right here is this is our shipping department. So as you make a purchase and buy US Duct materials, we're gonna stage them all right here, and every single salesman, every duct guy is gonna check off each order for you to make sure that exactly what you ordered is what's being shipped to you. So let's keep going. Over in this section right here, this is our laser welder. So every piece of laser welded duct is going to come out of this machine. What's up, Bobby? You doing all right?
Yes, sir.
Good to see you, man. Every piece of laser welded duct is going to come out of this machine right here. And so let's go take a look at it. So as you can see right here, the laser welded duct is going to come out of the machine. And my man right here is putting the roll on each end. So that machine right there puts this rolled edge on every piece of rolled lip clamped together ductwork. So you get the same unique roll and fit up every single time. What's going on, brother? You doing all right?
Yes,
good to see you. Hey, you're alive now. Hey man, how you doing? So back over here, they're actually going to roll the duct. You can see them doing it right now. They'll roll the duct first. And they'll take that rolled duct and they'll put it into the machine right here, the laser welder. And so you can see a piece just coming out of the laser welder right now. Pretty cool. Gives it one continuous weld all the way down, the strongest that you could possibly have. So that's pretty cool. So let's keep going. Some of our sheet stock over here. This is more of the sheet stock. So basically all of our material that we need to make your parts, we're gonna house it on a combination of these three racks that you see right here to make it easy for us to pull it off and make those parts for you. Reggie, you doing all right? Reggie's in charge of logistics, so he's the man making everything happen over here. Over here, we have another kind of shear and then a sheet roller. So more of your custom fab items are going to be cut up and formed right over in this section. What's happening, man? You doing all right? We got a line welder over here. So if it's not laser formed, most often it's going to be line welded or MIG welded. Got some heavy fab guys over here. So they're making all of your heavy fab items, stainless steel, heavy gauge, custom. All these guys are going to be doing that. Couple more heavy fab. You doing all right, man? Good. Some more heavy fab over on this side. What's up, man? What's up, boss? Hey, what you working on over here?
Just pipe with doors on it.
Couple pipe with some doors? So some heavy fab stuff right here. Custom, putting some doors on bigger pipe for you. Appreciate you, man. Here's some more custom fab items. So these are not standard length. So obviously we encourage you to get standard length pipe, but if you need something a little bit bigger, a little bit longer, we can do that too. What's up, man? You doing all right? More custom fab stuff over here. We'll see if we can sneak into our paint booth. So what we've got is a completely in-house controlled environment paint booth, so you can get the optimal cure and paint quality that you're looking for in your ductwork. So if you didn't know we do that, we can do that. Let's see if we can sneak in there and take a look at what it looks like. It's a little bit like a maze, so stay with us. Can I come in? All right. So this is our paint area. So what he's doing right now is priming up some ductwork to get painted. But as you can see, completely controlled environment in here gives you the optimal cure and paint quality that you're looking for. So, pretty cool facility. Thanks, man. You doing all right?
Yes, sir. How about you?
You good, man? Right back in here, I like to call this our spark trap division. I don't know if it's really termed that, but every spark trap that I've seen, big spark traps, are all made right back in here. So that's that section. They're in the middle of working, so I don't want to bother them. And then we do our best to keep as many flanges that we can in-house. And so that's what you're going to see back along this wall. Basically, so that when you order your flange ductwork or more of that custom product from us, we can get this stuff moving and shipping really quickly. So over here on this side is our US tubing product. That's another clamp together option that we have. And what they're gonna do is they actually vanstone the edge of it, and then we put a gasket on there to make sure that you have that 100% leak-free seal. So that's gonna be our tubing along the side here. How you doing, man? Good? What's up, brother? You doing all right? Good. What up, man? Hey, what are you working on today? What are you working on? Custom elbows? Good work. One of the top welders here, young kid. He's doing good, man. Say hi to the camera. What's up, man? So this section right here, he's actually turning that vanstone on the US tubing product line that I was just talking about. So he's making that vanstone, working hard. Cool, appreciate you, man. Over here on the left and right, we have some prefabricated adapters. That way we can get those stuff out for you quickly. And then further moving on through here is really some miscellaneous parts that we have set up, some adjustable sleeves, adapters, O-rings, flanges, and then more towards the end of it is just more space for our shipping, so they can stage orders so that we can get them out there for you quickly and effectively. Some more painted duct here, as you can see. This is coming out of that paint booth like I was telling you. So perfect cure on here. In great paint quality, as you would expect. So we're back at the start. I think that pretty much ends our tour. Hopefully this is beneficial to you. I know in light of everything that's going on, it's a lot harder to connect with people, but you know, here at US Duct, what we're looking to do is make sure that selling ductwork is easy for you. So hopefully this can help you understand some of the processes here and also give you an idea on how to better connect with your customers. So we'll see you on the other side.